Antarctica, a continent of extremes. This icy wilderness, shrouded in darkness for half the year, holds secrets to our planet's past, present, and future. It is a land sculpted by ice, a vast expanse of white stretching as far as the eye can see. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and driest continent on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to unimaginable lows and winds can reach hurricane force. Yet despite these harsh conditions, life finds a way. Penguins waddle across the ice, seals bask in the sun, and whales breach the frigid waters. This continent holds around 90% of the world's ice, a staggering amount frozen in time. As temperatures rise due to climate change, these frozen giants are beginning to melt at an alarming rate. The future of our planet in many ways depends on the fate of this frozen continent. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was a very different place. Instead of a frozen wasteland, it was a lush continent covered in forests and teeming with life. Dinosaurs roamed the land, and the oceans were filled with ancient creatures. Millions of years ago, Antarctica was part of a supercontinent called Gondwana. Over time, this supercontinent began to break apart, and Antarctica slowly drifted southward, eventually reaching its current position at the South Pole. As Antarctica moved closer to the South Pole, it received less direct sunlight, and temperatures began to drop. The once lush forests gave way to tundra, and eventually, the continent was cold enough for ice to begin forming. Snow fell and accumulated year after year, slowly compacting under its own weight to form ice. Over millions of years, this process continued until the ice sheets we see today were formed. Ice flows from the interior of the continent towards the coast, where it eventually breaks off to form icebergs, a process known as calving. The Earth's climate is changing, and the polar regions are warming faster than anywhere else on the planet. This warming trend is having a profound impact on Antarctica's ice, causing it to melt at an accelerating rate. The primary culprit is the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily carbon dioxide, released from burning fossil fuels. These greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, preventing it from escaping back into space. In Antarctica, the warming air and ocean temperatures are melting ice from above and below. Warmer air temperatures are melting the surface of the ice sheets, creating vast meltwater lakes and rivers that can accelerate the melting process. Warmer ocean temperatures are also melting the ice shelves from below. Section 4, the delicate balance, Antarctica's ecosystems. Antarctica may seem like a barren wasteland, but it is home to a surprising diversity of life, all uniquely adapted to survive in this extreme environment. Penguins, seals, whales, seabirds, fish, krill, and a multitude of invertebrates all play a vital role in the delicate balance of this unique ecosystem. Penguins are perhaps the most iconic of Antarctica's animals. These flightless birds are perfectly adapted for life in the water, with their streamlined bodies, powerful flippers, and dense, waterproof feathers. Seals are another group of animals that thrive in the cold waters surrounding Antarctica. These marine mammals come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from the massive elephant seal to the sleek leopard seal. Whales, the giants of the ocean, also play a crucial role in the Antarctic ecosystem. Krill are the foundation of the Antarctic food web, providing a vital food source for a wide range of animals. Section 5. Sentinels of the South, monitoring a changing landscape. Understanding how Antarctica's ice is changing is crucial for predicting future sea level rise and its global impacts. Scientists employ a range of sophisticated technologies to monitor these changes, from space-based satellites to ice-penetrating radar. Satellites provide a global view of Antarctica, allowing scientists to track changes in ice sheet height, flow rate, and mass balance. Ice-penetrating radar is another valuable tool for studying Antarctica's ice. This technology uses radar waves to penetrate through the ice, revealing the layers and structures beneath the surface. Ice cores are long cylinders of ice drilled from the ice sheets, providing a record of past climate and atmospheric conditions. Section 6. A global crisis, the wide-reaching impacts of melting ice. The melting of Antarctica's ice has profound implications for the entire planet. As the ice sheets melt and flow into the ocean, they contribute to global sea level rise, threatening coastal communities and infrastructure worldwide. Sea level rise is not the only consequence of melting ice. The influx of fresh water from melting glaciers and ice sheets can also disrupt ocean currents, which play a vital role in regulating global climate patterns. These currents distribute heat around the planet, influencing weather patterns, marine ecosystems, and the productivity of fisheries. Changes in ocean currents can have far-reaching consequences, affecting weather patterns, marine life, and the livelihoods of people who depend on the ocean for their sustenance. The loss of ice in Antarctica also has significant implications for biodiversity. Section 7. A call to action, protecting our frozen giant. The future of Antarctica, and indeed the planet, depends on our actions today. The melting of Antarctica's ice is a stark reminder of the urgent need to address climate change. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions is paramount to slowing the rate of global warming and mitigating its impacts. This requires a global effort, with nations working together to transition to cleaner and more sustainable energy sources. International collaboration is crucial for protecting Antarctica and its fragile ecosystem. The Antarctic Treaty System, signed by over 50 nations, provides a framework for international cooperation in Antarctica. Protecting marine ecosystems in Antarctica is also essential. Establishing marine protected areas can help safeguard these unique ecosystems and the species that depend on them.